Question 24 is application problem of exponential functions. Okay, says a laptop computer loses its value each month after it is purchased. Its value as a function of time in months is modeled by Vm equals to V as a function of months equals to 3800 times 0.92 to the power of m. What is the value of the laptop after 3 months? In which month after it is purchased does the laptop's worth fall below $2,000? Okay, so let's do the first part. First part here is to find the value of laptop after 3 months. So part A is V after 3 months will be V3, right? Equals to 3800 0.92 to the power of 3, correct? So we should use calculator to find all these answers. 3800 within bracket 0.92 bracket close to the power of 3 is equal to, so we get answers 2959.01. So we can write this as $2959, correct? So that's the value after 3 months, correct? So that's the first answer. Now the second says, in which month will its purchase price laptop's worth below 2000? So that means this becomes 2000. So we can write this as 2000 equals to 3800. And now we have to calculate the month, right? So we write month here. To solve this kind of equation, we can follow two methods. One we call approximation, and second we do by using log. Okay. Now let me teach you how to do with log first. To solve this equation, we'll divide by 3800. So we get 2000 divided by 3800 equals to 0.92 to the power of m. And then we can take log both sides, right? So we get log of, so let me write this as 20 over 32 for the time being. I'm not simplifying it further, there was no need, but in any ways. And when I take log this side, I'd get m times log of 0.92, correct? Now here, let me, within brackets. So what is m equals to? Say m is equals to log of 20 over 38 divided by log of 0.92, correct? Now we can calculate this using calculator and get our answer. So we get log of within bracket 20 divided by 38 bracket close, and then divide by log of 0.92 equals to, we get equals to 7.69. So more than 7 months, right? So that means after 8 months, right? So after 8 months it will be less than $2,000, right? Therefore after 8 months it will be less than $2,000, correct? Now some of the students have not learned this method of log yet, right? So they can do it with approximation. Now, so that is important for me to explain you here, because in grade 11 many students have not really done logarithms. Grade 12 students must have done it by now. Now to do approximation, what we will do here is we'll go back to our original equation, right? And then plug in different values of m. So if you plug in 7, you will be slightly higher than 2000. So let's do it. So we say, so we have 3800, within brackets 0.92 bracket close to the power of, let us say 7, right? So if you say 7, it gives me 2119. So if m is 7, we get 2119. So we know that it has to be more than 7. And then you can try the value for 8. So we say 3800 within brackets 0.92 to the power of 8. And then with power of 8, you get 1950. So since 7 was higher than $2,000, 8 is lower, so 8 months is the answer, correct? So you can do without log also by estimation, and we can estimate, right? So estimate by putting different values of m, right? So we checked with m, so if m equals to 7 and we checked m equals to 8, we found that this was plus 2000, is it okay? And for 8, we got 1950, correct? And therefore, we'll say that is our answer. So that is how you can also do by estimation, okay? Thank you. I hope you understand both the methods. Log method is very versatile and can be used. You can learn it now and then apply it for different questions. Thank you.